Thanks for joining me in this video today. Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a confectionery business and you're always creating delicious confectionery, you need a website for your business, then keep watching this video because you're in the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've registered your free trial account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, confectionery. That looks absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and select that option. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your confectionery business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Let multi-site work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally created a simple website for my business in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. As a guideline, of course, we've also pre-selected all the images. They look absolutely delicious and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some absolutely stunning images of all the delicious confectionery you are creating in your kitchen and you want to showcase it on your website. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. You don't need to know coding to use the Mighty Sites platform. You don't need to be a web developer or have any web development skills. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to do this for you either. You can do it all yourself. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top and go ahead and put in our company email address as well as our phone number. Let's make sure this box is ticked to display the email address on our website. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number, which is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address. The great thing about that physical location, when your website is live and your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and upload our logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to crop it to fit into the section better, add filters, rotate it, zoom in, make any minor edits to it, go ahead and click on the pencil over here. You can make it bigger and smaller as well on the right. Awesome. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change them to suit your marketing message, your branding, your logo, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and save that one for now. Over here for each section, go ahead and click on update section underneath each of the sections and go ahead and change the content that was pre-written for you. Buttons can link to various places. All you need to do is click on choose link and go through the various options. You can upload a PDF file, link to an action or link to another website if you need to. Under update image, you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Awesome. At the bottom over here is where you can put in your trading hours so your customers know when your confectionery business is open. Go ahead and pop them in over here and they will be displayed in the section at the bottom. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our channel, by the way. If you don't have a domain yet, go ahead and click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Site platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your confectionery business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on our platform, all you need to do is comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. All the best.